Morning, guys. So, today is February 19. And, sorry yung light kasi is facing the camera. Kaya madilim yung reflection. Today is naka-work from home ako. So, I'll take you with me kung how my day looks like kapag naka-work from home ako. So ideally kapag naka-work from home ako, nag-start na ako around 7:20, dapat naka-power on na yung computer ko. Kasi mag-start na nun dumating yung mga emails, and ang mga meetings ko usually would start around 8:30 or 9 o'clock. Pinakamaaga yung 8:30. And then natatapos usually yung mga meetings pinaka-late around 4 o'clock. Kasi usually sa government naman is natatapos ang work ng 5. Pero kung naka-flexi schedule ka, like to me, kung nag-start ako ng maaga, maaga rin ako matatapos. So, yung working hours ko are 7:30 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon. So, ganun yung schedule ko. Unless, of course, required ako for some meetings that are, exceeding ng 4 o'clock. So, adjust ko yung timings ko. So, naka-work from home ako ng Mondays and Fridays. However, syempre, i-adjust ko rin yung mga yon depending on the requirements for me on some meetings. So, may mga times na kailangan i-move ko yung work from home ako to accommodate those meetings na nire-require ako. So, naka-work from home ako, and it is an advantage kasi kapag work from home, hindi ka na magta-travel kasi ang travel time ko pag nagko-commute ako via train is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Pero syempre kung naka-work from home lang ako, hindi na ako kailangan mag-travel. So, less stressful siya. Sa train station would be around 5 minutes walk lang papuntang office. And from home going to train station, around 12 minutes to 15 minutes walk lang siya. So, ayos lang naman mag-walking kasi exercise, and masarap naman sa balat kapag maaga kang naglalakad to head to the train station. So, ano pa ba? Mostly yung work ko is revolving around meetings, and then finishing up my tasks na assigned or allocated sa akin. And once a week, I do have a one-on-one catch-up meeting sa boss ko, so that we will be able to assess kung ano yung natatapos ko, kung ano yung mga incomplete task ko, kung ano yung mga pending ko, kung ano yung issues ko, kung saan ako nahihirapan, so that matutulungan nila ako kung meron akong task na hirap i-accomplish, ganon. So at the moment, okay naman kasi magaan naman yung workload ko. Well, not really magaan, pero I think the right word would be manageable naman so far sa akin. May mga times na nag-i-exceed ako sa working hours ko kasi choice ko na yun, kasi ayoko yung napipending siya. Kapag meron akong something na pending, hindi ako mapakali. Gusto ko yung the following day, as much as possible, new task yung gagawin ko. Ayoko yung from yesterday pa or from previous days pa yung mga kailangan kong gawin for the day. So, minsan umaabot ako ng 7 or 8 in the evening just to complete the task. Hindi yun nire-require sa akin, pero by choice ko lang talaga kasi ganun yung nakagawian ko from UAE. Kapag meron kang dapat tapusin mo na para kumbaga relax ka na the following day. So, I'll take you around. So, time check now is 7:25. yan. So, mag-start na ako sa work ko and yeah. See you guys. Okay guys, time check is 5:06 p.m. Close ko na tong vlog. Hindi ko na kayo na isama sa ibang mga meetings and activities for the day. I had around 6 meetings. Pagod na ako and yes, time to rest. And next time, isasama ko naman kayo sa office. And yeah. So, signing off for the day. Thank you for watching. Bye!